For this problem, we'll subtract 10 and 1/6 minus 5 and 7/8, and we'll write a mixed numeral for the answer. When we subtract mixed numerals, we subtract the fractional parts and the whole number parts. The fraction parts in this case are 1/6 and 7/8. In order to do the subtraction, we first need to get a common denominator. Looking at the denominators 6 and 8, we note that the least common denominator is 24. So we'll write 1/6 and 7/8 with a denominator of 24. To write 1/6 with the denominator of 24, we multiply by 1 using 4 over 4. And to write 7/8 with the denominator of 24, we will multiply by 1 using 3 over 3. Doing the multiplication, we get 10 and 4/24 minus 5 and 21/24. Now we have a common denominator, but we have another problem. To subtract 4/24 minus 21/24, we'll need to borrow 1 from the 10. We think of 10 as 9 plus 1, or 9 plus 24/24 plus the 4/24. Notice this is still 10 and 4/24. Subtract 5 and 21/24. And that gives us 9 and 28/24 minus 5 and 21/24. Now we can subtract 28/24 minus 21/24, subtracting numerators, keeping the same denominator. We have 7/24. 9 minus 5 is 4. So the difference is 4 and 7/24.